All right, so we have solved the third problem as well. Okay. Now let's discuss about the fourth problem. Find a pair with a given difference. Now this problem is as follows. What is the problem? That we have given the array of size L, okay, and a number n is also given. We need to write a program to find if there exists a pair of elements in the array whose difference is n. So the array is here and we need to find the pair. Okay, if the pair exists, then we need to print as 1, and if the pair does not exist, then we need to print -1, right? Okay, 2 and 80 have the difference of 78. Okay, so how can we approach this problem? Okay, let us just see. I will just use the first example over here. 523 to 580, 523 to 580, 523 to 580. L value is equal to 6 and n value is equal to 80. Oh, sorry, 78, right? 78 is the difference which we need to find out. The pair we need to find out, for which the difference would be 78. Okay. So, and what would be the time complexity? The time complexity, okay, n log n, right? Suppose we sort this array. Sorting के बाद में क्या होगा? We will get 2, 3, right? 2, 3. मैं एक बार इसमें चेक कर रहा हूँ कि 5 जो है वो डबल बार है, राइट? ओके, ठीक है. 2, 3, 5, 5, 5, 5, 5, 2, 3, 5, 5, 20 and 80, राइट? तो हमको डिफरेंस चाहिए 78, राइट? 78 हमको डिफरेंस चाहिए. If we start our iteration from the start and we will pick the first number as this and the second number as this, we will find out the difference. Okay, 3 minus 2, 1 है, and 1 is less than 78, right? So this means that we need to move the second element forward, not the first element. Okay, तो ये हो गया. I की वैल्यू सबसे पहले 0 थी और j की वैल्यू 1 थी, right? So we have checked the difference. 3 minus 2 is equal to 1 है. 1 is less than or equal to 78. So we will move j now. J is equal to 2 हो गया अभी. Okay, now we will again check the difference. 5 minus 2, 3. 3 is less than 78. So we will again have to move the j value, right? So j will be equal to what? 1, 2, 3 now. Then again 3, तो j फिर से move हो जाएगा, right? 20 minus 2, 18, and then फिर से j move हो जाएगा 5 पे. 80 minus 2 is equal to 78, and that's it, right? So, and we need to print the 1 right now. Okay, uh, this can be the approach which we can follow, right? So this is the case in the first example. Now let us just see the second example now. Okay, 90, 70, 20, 80, 50. 90, 70, 20, 80 and 50. L is equal to 5 and n is equal to 45, right? We need to find the pair whose difference would be 45. Okay. Oh, sorry. Are you guys able to see what I am writing on the screen? Yes, I guess. Okay. So this is the new array, right? 90, 70, 20, 80 and 50. So my approach was that we will start from the first element and the second element would be the second element, right? We will just check. Oh, sorry. Firstly, we need to sort, right? Sorry. Firstly, we will sort this array, sort. Then what we will get? 20, then 50, 70, 80 and 90. Then we will start. I is equal to 0 and j is equal to 1. A of j minus a of I. 50 minus 20, 30. 30 is less than 45, right? So we will be moving forward. with j. J will be equal to 2 now. 70 minus 20, 50. 50 is greater than 45. Then we will move what? I, right? Because we want the smaller difference. Then 70 minus 50, 20. 20 is less than 45, right? So we will move j value. J will be equal to 3 now. 80 minus 50, 30. Again we have to move the j value. J will be equal to 4 now. 90 minus 50, 40. 40, but we cannot move j, right? So we need to print -1 over here. So this will be our approach, right? Now we need to implement it. Okay.
Okay, now the implementation part, right? Okay, so zoom in the workspace. चलो ठीक है, right? So firstly we have to sort the array, right? So sort arr comma arr plus n, sorry, the size, right? Size of the array. We have sorted the array and we will start the iteration part, right? From int I is equal to 0 and j is equal to 1, right? We will start from here and we need to loop this, so we will use the concept of while loop over here while I is less than size, not n, okay, and j is less than size. Till that time what we have to do is we have to check, and remember I should not be equal to j, right? I should not be equal to j. And what we need to check further, that if arr of j minus arr of I is equal to n, then we need to return what? 1, right? Or true. We need to return true. Okay, 1 or 0 or true or false is the same thing, right? If this condition satisfies, then we are returning true. If this condition do not satisfy, means what, right? So we need to check, right? So if further, and can we use else if over here? Yes, absolutely. Else if what? arr of j minus arr of I is less than n, then what we have to do? We have to increment j, right? And if this condition not satisfy, then we need to increment what? I, and this loop will continue, right? सही है क्या इतना? सबसे पहले तो ये देखते हैं यार अपन, ठीक है, आई की वैल्यू साइज से ग्रेटर नहीं हो सकती, इसलिए वी आर रनिंग द व्हाइल लूप ऑन these parameter, that is I less than size and j less than size. The first condition is that arr of j minus arr of I, if this equal to n, then we have to return the true. Okay, और फिर ये होगा, राइट? ओके, तो अभी ये तो खत्म हो गया, राइट? एंड इसके बाद में क्या? वी नीड टू रिटर्न द फॉल्स एज वेल, राइट? सो ये तो हमारा हो गया भाई, कि क्या बोलते हैं इसको हम लोग, ये हो गया, ओके। देन अगेन वी हैव टू चेक, राइट, दैट इफ व्हाइल लूप जो है वो हमारा खत्म हो गया। अभी फाइनल हमको देखने का है कि ए आर आर जे माइनस ए आर आर आई इज इक्वल टू एन है कि नहीं है। देन वी नीड टू रिटर्न ट्रू, और एल्स वी विल जस्ट रिटर्न फॉल्स। ठीक है, तो ये हो गया हमारा कोड। अभी देखते हैं इसको रन करके। ठीक है, okay, this condition is satisfied, compilation completed. Yes, okay, the problem is solved. ठीक है। Chalo, thank you.